Now let's talk about some visualization tool here. First is settings, ambient occlusion. It's creating a little bit shadow on the edges. For better seeing that, you can create this. You can see this is an object and just it create a simple shadow in these parts. Right? This is ambient occlusion in this junction, in these parts. Create a little shadow to better seeing the object. Background top color, we can see background here, background there, but don't change them. Trackball is this icon here to understanding the pivot point of the rotation of the camera. You can activate deactivate grid. You know the lock up axis. If you turn it down, you can see you can freely move anywhere, but I don't like that. You can activate that and you can see our horizontal of the grid maintain. Back face rendering mode, double-sided. In this special model, the modeler does not have create this model very well. We have just one simple thickness, because if you activate backface calling, you can see you cannot see some part of the object. If you activate double shaded, now you can see it's better. If we are in a clay, you can see it's better. If you see it's the color, you can see it tells, okay, these are errors. So it means this part doesn't have any thickness, but double shaded may be better. Specular, you can use it. You can turn it on or off, and the main color of your design will be appear. And this is another visualization settings here that you can make it thicker. You can turn it on or off, this feature. Make it like a clear, specular, zebra for controlling the smoothness of the tessellation, the mesh. But if you don't want, you can turn it off. And the camera field of view is this. You can see if we have a wide angle, it means you can see more object in the scene. If you have very high dense big scene, you can, if you want to see more in one frame, you can increase the number of the angle of the view. But something this is 60 is default. It's nice. After the settings, we are going to the lighting. It's exposure, lighting, brightness. You can turn it on or off. You can use this environment as a studio. You can see as a background. This is our room for creating light. You can use background not on or off. You can choose any studio or background that you want. You can rotate it. Studio number 1, I think it's better. You can show it as a background on or off, or you can simply blur it if you want. That's it. So it's just a visualization settings for seeing. This software is not for render, just for seeing your object better. Yeah, you have control there.